Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is movements of the earth. The earth shows two types of motions or movement, rotation and revolution. Now we see what is axis. The earth spins around an imaginary line running through the center of the earth from the north pole to the south pole. This line is called the axis. This axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Now we see what is rotation. The spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth rotates from west to east and takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. So, one day and night are of 24 hours. Rotation causes day and night. The earth rotates on its tilted axis causes day and night. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, only half of it gets light from the sun at a time. You can see in the picture. The portion facing the sun experiences day, while the other half away from the sun experiences night. The earth is round and rotates on its own axis. Now we see what is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. The earth takes 365 1/4 day, 1 year to revolve around the sun. Revolution causes change in season. You can see in this picture as the earth moves around the sun, the tilt causes the sun rays to fall more directly on either northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, depending upon the position of the earth. Now we see what is equator. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Dear student, I hope you have understood this very well. So take care and goodbye.